What's going on here?
Oh, sir, I'm arrested. Oh, oh.
Samsung has just announced the Galaxy S21 series. They took away some stuff, gave back some other stuff, and overall it is one of the best S-series smartphones in recent years. But they took away something which no one is even talking about, and it will have some serious complications, especially in countries like India. And the bigger thing is that you don't even know what I'm talking about. But before I tell you about that, hey guys, how are you? And if you find this video informative, may I just suggest subscribing? Okay, what am I talking about? Well, MST. If you are not a Samsung user, you might not even know about it, but MST is what enables Samsung Pay to work on every single type of payment terminal. Doesn't matter if it supports NFC or not, Samsung Pay used to work everywhere, but now it won't, because Samsung has quietly removed MST from all three of the Galaxy S21 series smartphones. Samsung says that because of the widespread adoption of NFC payment terminals, MST isn't much needed. And that might be the case for USA or Europe, I don't know, I haven't been there. But here in India, that's just not true. NFC enabled terminals are far and few. Most of the India still uses MST terminals, so S21 won't be able to make those terminals work. Samsung just killed the thing which made Samsung Pay so much special. I can't even count how many times store owners have said to me that they don't accept this type of mobile payment, and then they get so much shocked to see what I just did using Samsung Pay on my Galaxy Mobile. Some of them have even asked me to install this app on their smartphone. But of course it doesn't work with Oppo's and Xiaomi's. So MST enabled Samsung Pay was just magical, and Samsung has taken away its magic. I just hate that. Press F to pay respects. I really hope that they realize this mistake and bring back MST in the Note 21 series or in the Folds, but that's also not gonna happen if we take Samsung's word. Future devices will not support MST. However, previous Samsung phones which did came with MST will continue to keep on using this technology. Now let's get to the prices. USA, have a nice day. $799 for the S21, $999 for the 21 Plus and $1199 for the 21 Ultra. These are down if you compare them to the S20 series. But if you look at the Indian prices, it's a bit more messy. The S21 starts at 70,000, S21 Plus at 82,000 and the S21 Ultra is 106,000. But the Ultra here is 256GB version, so we are not getting the base 128 Ultra. And here are for comparison the S20 series prices in India, and you can clearly see that it's not even close to a $200 price reduction like it was in USA. In fact, it's a small price hike. So I'm not happy then. Guys, also you need to keep in mind that Samsung has also dropped the charger, the earphones, the SD card slot, QHD and maybe even more things which we don't know about, because we just found out about the MST thing. Who knows what else they have killed without even telling us. Everyone will tell you about the good things of the S21 series, and there are plenty of those to look out for, but the compromises also should be known before making the buying decision. So I thought that I would have to be the bearer of the bad news, but still it's an awesome smartphone and you likely won't regret the buying decision. Let me know guys your thoughts about Samsung dropping MST. I just don't agree with this decision at all. For me, it's an even bigger heartbreak than losing the charger. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Hit the like button if you found it informative. You can also say hi to me on Twitter, chat with me, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.